Can a reticulated python swallow a crocodile and digest it? A reticulated python, one of the largest snake species in the world, can indeed swallow very large prey. However, swallowing a fully grown large crocodile is beyond its capacity. Here's why. The size of the prey a snake can swallow is generally limited by the diameter of its body. While reticulated pythons have highly flexible jaws and can consume prey much larger than their head, a fully grown large crocodile, such as a Nile crocodile or American alligator, would typically be too large in diameter for even the largest reticulated python to manage. Digestive capabilities. While pythons have powerful digestive systems capable of breaking down bone and tough tissues, the sheer volume and toughness of an adult crocodile's body would pose an extraordinary challenge. They can successfully digest large prey, including smaller crocodilians or juvenile crocodiles, but an adult crocodile is generally beyond their capabilities. In conclusion, a reticulated python could swallow and digest a young or smaller crocodile, but not a fully grown large crocodile.